In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage leads and personalize prospecting with HubSpot Sales Hub. This powerful CRM tool allows you to effectively organize your contacts and enhance your outreach efforts. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot platform and start by clicking on CRM. This is the central hub where all of your customer relationship management activities take place. You'll find this option on the main dashboard, making it quite accessible. If this is your first time here, don't worry. HubSpot's interface is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Once you've clicked on CRM, the next step is to direct your attention to the Contacts section. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on Contacts will open up a comprehensive list of all your existing connections, whether leads, prospects, or current clients. Here, you will be able to view key information about each individual, helping you tailor your approach to communicating with them. Moving forward, it's time to select a specific contact by clicking the box beside their name. This step is crucial because selecting the right contact will allow you to drill down into more detailed information and manage your interactions with them effectively. Personalizing your communication at this stage can significantly enhance the impact of your outreach. So take your time to evaluate and choose the most pertinent contacts for your purposes. Now that you've identified your contact, the next step is to take action by clicking on Create Leads. This feature is particularly useful for nurturing new prospects and turning them into valuable clients. By creating a lead, you're initiating a relationship building process where you can systematically follow up and engage with these individuals or businesses. After selecting Create Leads, you'll be prompted to fill in specific details about the contact. This information can include aspects such as the lead's industry, role, and any previous interactions you've had with them. Providing detailed and accurate information here is key to tailoring future communications and ensuring that your messages are relevant and timely. Once you've completed these fields, go ahead and click on Create. Now, the contact is successfully added as a lead within your HubSpot Sales Hub. This step closes the initial flow where you've managed to streamline a contact into a potential client, ready for your personalized prospecting strategies. Remember, consistency is key in prospecting. Make use of HubSpot's robust features like automated follow-ups and personalized emails to keep the conversation going and foster strong relationships. That wraps up our tutorial today on managing leads and personalizing prospecting with HubSpot Sales Hub. With these steps, you're now ready to optimize your lead management and make the most out of your CRM efforts. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.